After logging in, the Simple Merch feature guides the merchandiser step by step through a fast and simple merchandising process. The first step is waste removal. This means removing all expired products from the kiosk. When you're done, continue to the next step. The second step is removing products. Here, you remove products that you no longer want to keep in the kiosk, even if they are not expired. Remove the selected products and continue. The third step is layout changing. Here, you add products and update their positions on the shelf. Touch the slot you want to set up. Click on the marked position. The slot will turn green so you can clearly see which one you're setting up. On the product selection page, you can either find your product in the list or use the search option. Place the first product on the slot and wait until the status changes from unstable back to stable. Then press Add. Repeat this step for at least 2 more products. The more products you use, the better average weight the system will calculate for that product. When you're done, tap Finish. Your product is now successfully assigned and ready for use. Next, you're asked whether you have a replenish order. If you do, select Yes, complete the order, and click Submit. The final step is restock. Unlock the kiosk and restock the shelf. Place the products on their assigned positions. The system automatically updates inventory based on weight changes. Select Finish. All changes are now saved and the merchandising process is complete.